3. Speak Out Writing Extra. Starter Unit 3. Linkers and but. Speak Out Writing Tip. We use and but to connect ideas in a sentence. We use and to add information. I speak English and Spanish. Can I have a coffee and a sandwich, please? My daughter's name is Elizabeth, and she's 1 year old. We use but to contrast information. I'm from Ankara, but I live in Istanbul. This is my bag, but these aren't my keys. I'm very friendly, but my sister isn't. 1. Match the sentence halves. 1. My name is Italian, C, but I'm from the USA. 2. My parents are doctors, F, but I'm a teacher. 3. I'm a doctor, A, and my wife is also a doctor. 4. And I have 2 teas, E, and a coffee. 5. My trousers are black, B, but my shoes are brown. 6. I'm from Spain, D, but my wife is from Italy. 7. This is my desk, H, and these are my books. 8. My favorite colors are green, G, and gray. 2. Complete the sentences with and or but. 1. Usain Bolt and Venus Williams are famous sports people. 2. Javier Bardem is from Spain, but Daniel Craig is from England. 3. My t-shirt is white, but my trousers are brown. 4. Arsenal's colors are red and white. 5. Ewan McGregor is from Scotland, his wife is French. 6. My sister and I are engineers, but my brother is an actor. 7. He's a student and a waiter in a restaurant. 8. I'm tired and thirsty. Let's have a break. Write about yourself, your family, and your friends. Use and but to connect your ideas. Use the texts in exercises 2 and 3 to help you. Write 50 to 70 words. My name is Maria, and I have a small but very close family. My parents are kind, and my younger brother is funny. We live in a modern apartment in the city. My friends are very important to me, and we often spend time together on weekends. I enjoy reading and dancing, but I don't like loud parties. My best friend is creative, but she is sometimes shy. We always help each other.